Welcome to the future of drying with our all-new line of tumble dryers. At Allianz Laundry Systems, we pride ourselves on creating solutions that bring innovation and efficiency to every load.
Our new line of tumble dryers are crafted with expertise and trust that comes from years of dedication to optimizing performance. With up to 12% shorter drying cycle times, with the 18 kg capacity, and up to 17% shorter drying cycles with our Stack Tumbler 1414, every cycle is designed to reduce energy consumption, cutting costs while respecting the environment.
These tumble dryers are at the forefront of technology with increased drum volume and capacity to handle larger loads effortlessly. Usability is key. That's why they feature intuitive and user-friendly touch controls and cloud-based connectivity platform, making operation a breeze. Integration of the latest technology means reliable and efficient results every time.
Every component of our machines is engineered with precision, designed with elegance and ergonomics. These tumble dryers offer better efficiency and contribute to a smaller carbon footprint, with fewer components and a streamlined design. That's innovation you can see and performance you can trust. Smaller footprint, better performance. Discover more and be a part of the change today with Allianz Laundry Systems.
Join us in exploring where innovation meets efficiency. Our tumble dryers not only exceeding expectations, but also set new benchmarks for quality and care for laundry solutions.